Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super easy and time-saving trick in Canva. How to copy an element or even multiple elements from one design to a new design. Whether you're creating social media posts, presentations, or any kind of graphic, this tip will save you a ton of effort. So let's dive in. Open your source design first. Locate the Canva file that has the element or elements you want to reuse. Open it up and make sure everything is ready for selection. This is your source design, the one you're copying from. Switch to grid view next. Click on the grid icon in the top corner of Canva. This switches your canvas to grid view, giving you a neat overview of all your pages and elements. It makes selecting multiple items way easier and faster. Select the elements or pages now. Select the elements you want to copy. If you want multiple items, hold the Shift key while clicking on each one. You can even select entire pages if you want to copy more than just a few elements. This ensures everything you need is ready to go. Copy your selection. With your elements selected, simply press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy them. This stores them on your clipboard so you can transfer them anywhere. Navigate to your new design now. Open the new Canva file where you want to paste your elements. This could be a fresh project or an existing design you're updating. Paste the elements finally. Press Ctrl+V to paste the elements into your new canvas. You'll see them appear exactly as they were in the original design. From here, you can move, resize, or adjust them to fit your new layout perfectly. If you often reuse elements, you can also save them as your brand assets in Canva to make future copying even faster. And that's it. Copying elements from one Canva design to another is really that simple. This trick can save hours of redesigning, especially if you work with recurring templates or branding. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more Canva hacks, and leave a comment telling me what design trick you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.